Welcome to the channel. In continuation of the previous video, I came across this technique of adding animation to visuals with a formula. First we click on the new card visual. Then populate our data into it of current year sales, last year sales and difference. Change the layout to single column. Visual is working fine. Now let's add animation to it. We go the settings of the visual and click on images, then apply it to difference column. Now we create a measure. Our first measure is image arrow up, where we will paste the URL of a GIF. Let's first create a GIF using PowerPoint. Insert up arrow icon. Increase the size and change the color to green. Add animation. Now save your GIF. Upload the GIF to this website so that a link is created. Copy the link. Paste it to the image arrow up formula in inverted commas. Now in a similar pattern, create a GIF for image arrow down. Save the GIF created. Upload to the website to create a link. Copy the link. Create new measure of image arrow down and paste the link. Now create a new measure with simple if formula. In the image settings of the card visual, change the image type from image to image URL. And assign the image measure with if formula to it. Adjust the size. Your GIF animation can be seen and will change with the value.